Okay, on a stone, like anything else in the world, I take my stone and spray it half. I use just cooking spray. You can use any kind of oil and spit on it, whatever. But I use a butter spray. I like the way it smells. Who doesn't like the smell of butter? But the same way on a stone. It's just as easy to do one side of both blades. Since you're on this side, kind of got to hold. You'll feel that. You'll feel the angle of it. It takes a minute to get used to it, but you'll feel it. This is my preferred method. Flip it over because I got some fresh butter on that side. Cash it now. If you can see that. It don't take much. But this is always the best thing in the world other than a piece of leather to finish them off. This is a little bit small for leather. You can take the blades out and put them in a vise and do it whatever way. But I like this. Put it up against my body. Come down. You can always feel it. You always get that feeling for it. I guess a 45-degree angle is what you're looking for, but very nice. Oh, sorry, I'll do it. It might take me a long time to do it, but not normally that long. If it's already pretty sharp, if it just goes through a deer and sits in the ground, it don't take much to get these things topped back off. But these hemorrhage heads are just absolutely built. They're bulletproof. They really are. You can take a permanent marker and just run along the edge of it, and you'll be able to see where you're hitting with your stone, and until it completely goes away. A lot of people do that. I just don't. And these little bleeder blades are super easy to sharpen. So I normally do these like a knife. Take your little circles. Super easy to do these. Like I said, if it just goes to a deer, 6 in ground, it's pretty sharp already. You can kind of feel it and even hear it when your burrs and everything start to go away. Now, if it was just damaged completely beyond belief, of course, you know, you can change the blades or whatever you want to. That's what a lot of people will do. But in a pinch, this is a good way to go. In a pinch, in the field, on your arrow, don't cut yourself like I do almost every single time. That'll do it. That'll do it. Hemorrhage Broadheads. Fantastic heads.